Welcome back, guys. Razi Grow. We out here. The rain does not stop us. You see, the rain does not stop us. When we gotta build something, we go and do it. Period. That's the master.
See this dude right here? You need me? Just call me.
The master.
My number is 911.
911. We got master contractor right here. We out here. Razi Grow. Well, you don't need the. All right, guys. So that's pretty much what we got going on for now. That's the best that we can do for now until we get the 30-foot flagpole so we can clear the power lines. You know what I mean? But other than that, today's Helium works so good. We active with Helium mining. Razi Grow. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Shop is closed. Shop is closed. Party over, people. Game over. All right, guys, and this is what we got going on in the inside. This just came in today, and it got installed today. Little simple basic setup, but we're gonna see what we get. Like and subscribe, stay tuned. This was an Amaranth miner. It came in less than a week.